Okay, so as you guys know from the previous video that we fitted the gearbox, the diff was broken, so we had it repaired, fitted the gearbox, did a startup, car still made a noise, so we suspect that it's the cam. Luckily for me and for us, we have a 276 cam ready to go in, so we're going to change that out and see if the noise goes away, because a worn cam lobe can also give some engine knock, so hopefully it's that. Anyway, let's get to that. Gotta start the day with a little house, good housekeeping. Full this piece of high pressure.
Did you use a broom now?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, then you put it properly. Not good housekeeping to leave it there.
Okay, so I don't know what's going on with my phone. Oh well, I actually do know what's going on with my phone. I had the space, so it stopped recording. So while we were checking out what was happening there with the noise again, we decided to take off the belt that runs on the alternator and the water pump, because we suspected maybe the water pump is making a noise. Did that, started it, still nothing. Noise is still there. So we're gonna take the cam out and get the 276 in. Hopefully that solves the problem, because I am about here with this noise that's happening on my car. So let's go get that. There she is, boys. There she is. There she is. So we just gotta get it all cleaned up. I got a new cam seal. That's the old one. That's the cam seal that I bought the cam with. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up, and then yeah, we can fit it in the car. Also, I actually have a few goodies here that I bought. A few things that I want to replace, seeing that I'm going to be changing the cam. So I got a new power grip cam belt. Got some fresh plugs as well. These are all things I bought in preparation for when the cam and the chip wasn't going, so when they tune and everything, all the plugs are fresh and whatever. I got a new cam seal in here as well. Yep, we got the new cam seal. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that little bad boy over there, and then yeah, we can go and get it. Okay, this we can clean afterwards. I just want to get the old cam out, and then also yeah, get old cam first and set it to TDC, check the orientation of the cam, then remove the cam so that I know how the new cam must go in, to don't struggle with cam timing and things like that. Hopefully it goes smoothly. So yeah, let's get it out. Okay, so that's TDC now. The first person is right on the top. That should be TDC, so yeah.
Waar is een koffie gestorten, man? Wat is all this petrol? Wat is all this petrol?
Sterk, ja. What lucht is this? Zie je? Dat is guy dat maakt. It clearly says 1. Okay, the 1 is still on there, so 1 would be here. 2, 4, 3, 5.
Where's the numbers?
There's the numbers.
Oh, there too.
So it's 2, 4, 3, 5. It's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 2. Switch it around.
Met stemt bij German Volkswagen.
I don't know. I don't think so. Look like it's stamped aftermarket. Or someone else, a mechanic, had worked on it, but
Mexico.
they caught in their own bullshit there. There you can see. Can you see that cam logo is worn even more? Ah, my fingers are burning! Just. Oh! Cam is hot.
This is both my fingers.
You guys remember from the last video? Where's this camera at? Where am I? Yo, that's how there we go. In the last video, this thing is definitely worn a bit more. Because as you can see there on the side, where's this camera, my bro? There's some wear on the side there also. Yeah, it zoomed in, that's why. There's some wear there now. That wasn't there previously. There's looks like a bit deeper scratches on here. There's also wear on the side. So it's definitely a bit more worn than what it was before. You can see the difference for yourselves. But yeah. The caps don't seem to be worn. Or the shimming. Let's use the shims right. On the buckets. So they are still all fine. It's just the cam that was wearing out. So yeah. Let's get the 276 and the vernier cleaned up and then gooi it in there. Or I think we're gonna change the belt as well, seeing that the arbors here. So yeah, let's do that. So yeah, this thing isn't too tight on it, just crack it loose. And then so we're gonna replace the cam and clean off the cam shaft. It was a 80. There you go. Thanks to Lal, one of our neighbors down the road, for getting it off. So we can just go ahead and knock this off real quick. Hey, it's off. Then you place this cam. This cam is garbage. You know your boy loves his bliksem. Some fresh cams, boy. Fresh cam seals, boy. So just simply slide on over. Like such. Give it some gentle persuasion. So when fitting in your cam, you just have to make sure that this marker, you see this like groove there, that should lay towards your tappet cover. Then you'll see on top there's another white marking that would show that it's on TDC, that it's on top, and you know that's the orientation of the cam loops. So yeah, just make sure the groove is in line with the tappet cover, and then the white dot is on top, and you know your cam timing on the head is perfect. Nah, it shouldn't be in gear, but everything is fitted, so we're gonna give it a first startup. So yeah, if we are far away. There's still a noise. There's still a noise on the motor. Only 18. But there's still a noise. I don't know where it's coming from. But you can definitely hear the cam is in. Sound much nicer. not the cam. It's definitely something else. But the sun is kind of the motor. I'm gonna put it off, but I wanna put damage anything. I don't know. Well, there you have it. Cam's ruled out, it's not the cam. So I don't know what I'm gonna do from here, but we will think of something. I'll probably end up stripping the motor. I don't know
Take it apart.
how much I smack with this.
Take it apart.
I don't think about. You gonna take it apart. You gonna take it apart. I'm not gonna take it apart. So I don't know. We'll see. But till then, cheers, guys. Do know that I'm depressed. Send me much love in the comment section to cheer me up about this. I'm feeling very down, and I'm sure you guys are too. But Cam is with it. Yeah. You did what you wanted to do in today's video, but sadly the outcome is still bad. So yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and help me sort this bad girl out because she's being very naughty. So cheers. See you on the next one.